a vast expanse of lush green valley, bathed in the soft golden light of dawn.
With the gentle touch of the sun, magic stirs within the sleeping branches, bringing forth the vibrant green of a new spring.
Awakened by the sun, these delicate blossoms unfurl their petals to the warm spring air.
What are you looking for down there, little friend?
Just looking for the perfect spot for our new garden, Whiskers. Here, where the sunlight dances on the purest stream, magic truly begins.
With their trusty tools in hand, the curious monkey and the calm cat followed the sound of the stream.
Early morning in the whispering woods, and two friends set out for adventure by the sparkling stream.
Patiently, the monkey showed the way, and soon the little yellow cat followed suit, hoping to find something wonderful in the earth.
Here, in the heart of the woods, the clever golden monkey discovers a wriggling friend, perfect for their collection.
Resourceful as ever, the monkey secured his prize, while the patient yellow cat observed every detail.
Down through the shimmering surface we go, where the gentle current sways the bait, and the sunlight dances with the bubbles below. And so the little red bobber waited, perfectly still, suspended between the bright blue sky and the deep, cool water below. With careful precision, the monkey attached the bait. His friend waited patiently. Deep in the heart of the whispering woods sat two unlikely friends, waiting patiently by the shimmering water. The gentle stream whispers secrets to the mossy stones, a lullaby for the forest. Here in the clearing, surrounded by the sounds of the jungle, the two friends shared a moment of perfect, golden tranquility. The golden monkey listened intently to the jungle's symphony, a peaceful moment shared with his feline friend. Bobbing gently in the sunlit stream, the little float waited patiently. Suddenly, with the patience of the jungle itself, the golden monkey waited, his eyes fixed on the slightest ripple. Way up high in the canopy lived a squirrel full of boundless energy.
Woohoo! Faster!
High above the valley floor, Squeaky searched for the legendary golden acorn.
Oh, look! A shiny one! I must get it!
Barnaby the squirrel was always quick, but what could have caught his eye way out there on the hills? As spring awakens, the apple blossoms burst forth, promising the sweetness of the harvest yet to come. Springtime arrives, and the green apple tree awakens, its creamy blossoms hinting at the tart harvest just around the corner. Deep within the orchard, where the sunbeams play, as the gentle breeze whispers through the apple blossoms, the promise of spring fills the air with magic and wonder. Here, kissed by the morning sun, the humble raspberry reveals its delicate, star-like beauty.
Look, look, look! Do you see it? It's amazing! Absolutely amazing! The shine, the sheer size of it!
Barnaby had heard the most incredible news.
Acorns! Millions of them! We have to go now! I'm late! I'm late! eat. The little squirrel was always rushing, hoping to gather enough nuts before the long winter's nap.
You guys won't believe what I just saw! It's huge!
What is it, Sparky? Red apples, green apples, raspberries. Every single one is starting to bloom. The journey ahead was uncertain, but in their hearts, they knew this beautiful valley held the promise of a new beginning.
You have the brightest smile I've ever seen, Mittens.
Oh, you too, Sparkle. It makes my tail twitch.
So this summer, we'll have lots of delicious fresh fruit.
By the stars. We must investigate.
Wow! Did you see that? We have to go now. Come on.
Whoa! I got one! It's a big one! Careful now, don't let it get away!
Whoa! Look at that! We got a bite! Whoa! Hang on tight! We got him! What a catch!
There we are, 5 shiny fish.
Oh, splendid! We make quite the team, don't we? Look at this whopper! It's huge!
Oh, splendid! We'll eat well tonight. For a couple of amateurs, huh?
I think we make a pretty good team.
It's huge! Help me out here!
By my whiskers, don't let it go!
Yes, another one!
We are the masters of this river! We got so many fish!
Wow, look at all these fish.
We really outdid ourselves today.
Yes,
We got the big one!
Hooray! The basket is full!
Look at this beauty! We make a great team, don't we?
Well, hello there. We were just waiting for you. Hooray! You're finally here. Keep it steady now. We're almost home.
I can practically taste the grilled fish already.
Wow, look at the size of those salmon. Oh boy, this is the best day ever. Looks amazing.
The day softly yields to the evening glow, painting the riverside in hues of magic.
I didn't realize we caught this many. My arms are killing me.
Just a little further, then we feast. Perfectly scaled and sliced. Beats fresh fish on a sunny afternoon. Oh yes, that is going to be delicious. A little longer now. And now for the moment of truth. Perfectly golden brown.
See that? Freshly scaled and ready for the pan. It's easier than it looks when you know how.
Smells absolutely wonderful. Time to eat. As the warm, fragrant steam rose from the beautifully cooked fish, a rich aroma filled the cook.
You simply must try this piece. It's delicious.
Don't mind if I do. Ha ha! Absolutely wonderful.
Underneath the gentle glow of the harvest moon, nestled deep within the whispering woods, stood a cabin where dreams were made.